Setting your IP address to automatic, DHCP, or manual on your iPhone 15 allows you to control how your device obtains its network configuration, which can be useful for network troubleshooting or custom setups. Here's how it's done. First, return to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi. Next to your connected Wi-Fi network, tap on the information I button. Scroll down to the IPv4 address section and tap on Configure IP. Here you can choose between automatic, DHCP, or manual. If you select manual, you'll need to input the required IP address, subnet mask, and router, gateway address. Make sure to enter all information correctly, as incorrect details may prevent your device from connecting to the network. This information can be obtained from your internet service provider, so you can contact them if needed. If you prefer your phone to automatically obtain an IP address from the router, select Automatic, DHCP, or BootP. After making your selection, tap the Save button at the top to apply the recent changes. Once you're done, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to return to the home screen. And that's how you configure the iPhone 15 to hide your IP address from known trackers while using the iOS Mail and Safari apps. Please subscribe if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.